Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and another video. In today's video we are going to learn about how to make your very own Discord bot using Python. This one's without slash commands and this is the first part. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to your google.com and over there type Discord, and as you can see it came up here. You need to type this discord.com/developers/applications. However, I will be giving this link in the description. Now, after you open up this, you create up a new application. You can name it my bot. It's all your wish what you want to name it. And after you're done with this, you click on add bots, and from there, as you can see one here, add bot. Yeah, you have to click here and yes, do it. Now it says your bot has been a white bot has appeared, which is good. Now presence intent should be on, server member intent should be on, and message content intent should be on. After that, give your bot some permissions. Here I'm giving administrator permissions. Now go to your Discord. As you can see here, I have made a server already. If you have one, you can add it to that, or you gotta create a new one. And I hope that you very well know how you do that. Go here and done. Okay, now go to the OH2 thingy, and from there the URL generator. From there click on bot and application command. These two are important, so make sure to check mark them, and after that go to check mark the administrator. Copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and wait for it to load. And once it's done loading, just go to and invite it to your server. And after you're done with that, boom, your bot is now in your server there. Okay, now after we do that, go to your editor. You can use VS Code or anything. I'm using Python. If you need help with installing Python, you can check out my previous videos. And now from here, go to its terminal and type it install discord.py. Once you're done with this, for me it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it, but you can install it again. And now from this, after that you gotta type in import discord, and after that from discord.ext import commands. And once you're done with that, we've just imported all the libraries, and after we import all the libraries, the intents equal to from here you need to type in discord.intent.default, and now intents.members equals true. So what this does, this is the default intents for your bot that we just gave over here. As you can, oh wait, I forgot, you need to check mark these as well. So now after we are done with these are the intents that we are allowing here. And after that, there's an additional intent for bots that can only be obtained through commands, which is intents.member equals true. So after which we will be doing bot equals commands.Bot, and now here intents equals intent and command underscore prefix equals. Okay, now here you can give anything like slash question mark or anything you wish. I'm just gonna go with a question mark, that's all. And now after we are done with this, I wanna go at the last, and at the last I will type bot.remove command help. Now why we did this is because discord.py already provides a feature of having help command in your bot. So whatever commands you type, it will just like whenever you type suppose my prefix is this question mark, so when I type /help, of course the bot is offline right now, but when I type this, it will give all the list of commands, and not in our way, it will be a default way, which is not that good. We will be adding help command later on. Now after this we type bot.run, and once you do this, go back to your Discord developer portal, checkmark administrator, and after that reset the token. Yes, do it. You will get a new token, copy it, make sure you paste it somewhere in notepad also to get a note of it, and now you just paste it in here. Okay, now this is done with the initialization. However, we need to know we can know if the bot is going online using its status, but we also need a log channel. So we do status logs. We create a channel in Discord server, status logs, and after you're done with that, I personally like to make it private. It's all upon your wish. So changes, and now I would you should copy its ID, and after which you will do @bot.event. So we are actually announcing an event right now, which is async def on ready. So what this does is basically suppose you need to know that your server members need to know what's the bot status right now. So when the bot is ready and the commands can be used for the bot, it will run this, and now from here we will type log channel equals to bot.get channel this, and after which I personally prefer an embed, so I would type embed equals discord.embed. Now here type in your title equals status log. It's again title, you can name it again, and description equals I would say bot is going online. So bot is going online. Now this won't still send this particular message to this channel. For that, what you need to do, await log channel dot send embed equals embed, and boom. Once you save this and run it, once you're done running, your bot will automatically go online and send a message here. Boom, there we go. Okay, so this is it for the first part. We will be looking forward to more commands in the second part, so stay tuned for the second part. See ya.